All right, so slab serif fonts are pretty much serif fonts that have the tails, but they're very thick usually, and the tails are very horizontal. So instead of having tails that curve upward and downward and have these curves to them, they're very blocky. This is just a great way to be able to keep that sans serif traditional piece, but also make it have a different feeling. So one of the things about slab serif fonts that's different than serifs and why they were developed is to get rid of that delicacy and the elegance that we see in a serif font, but replace it with something that is more powerful and yet traditional, as well as just a bolder option. In addition, it provides stability because it's very blocky and it's stuck within this frame that is making it so it's very stable and there's no like curvature movement to the font. In addition, it's still traditional because it still has the serifs, so it still feels old and traditional and conventional in that way. It's very strong, so it provides more of a masculine feel. So you're going to find that a lot of companies that are looking for a strong, bold, masculine feel and powerful are going to use these kinds of fonts. They're very assertive, but still have historical, dependable roots. So they tend to be companies that are around for a long time and have that dependability, but at the same time, in newer companies are using these fonts to showcase how they are really rooted and ready to be a dependable company for us. And they're capable. That's the other thing. They're trying to show that they are capable of taking on whatever challenge is posed to them as a company. So you're going to see that they're used by mainly tech companies for dependability, car manufacturers for that, that rugged, strong, powerful feel, as well as the rugged adventure companies to give you that masculine feel of outdoor adventure. So we see companies like Volvo using it so that they're, that powerful car company. Honda uses them as well. You can see how the serifs have very little curves to them. Sony uses it, as well as Arby's, because they're seen as more of like, we have the meat, and giving that masculine fast food feel.